So today we visited Garpenberg, Boliden, and the first half of the group went underground to the mine. The other half went to the processing plant. Then after lunch we went up here to the core shed.
Yeah, we had a very exciting time at the core shed.
Amazing drill core that kind of saved Garpenberg, Boliden.
How come? It's very nice to see the forefront of the industry. I've never seen a place like this with so much technology and forward thinking put into it. Pretty incredible.
Yeah, I can say it's maybe fun is the best word to describe it, because it looks like a childhood dream to have this huge machine with 2 joysticks, but it also shows you how advanced the technology is in the mine.
I think it's both efficient, but it's also more safe, of course, and a better work environment, because they're not stuck in this truck bouncing about several hours a day. Excitement, of course.
Immediately wanted to see everything. Like, they already told us beforehand that this was the big discovery. If they would not have found this drill core back in the day, the mine would have probably closed.
Yes. It was even called, was it Boliden's best exploration?
Yeah, Boliden's best exploration ever.
So that's
it's super cool
to have in your portfolio to have looked at.
Yeah, and we are of course major consumers and we need more. And if we can get that from mines in Sweden, which we are now, I mean, we have seen today that they are very automated, they're very modern, they're very safe, they take care of the environment at all. So that is way better than if you would extract this from some mine in China, where, I mean, worker safety is not regarded and the entire environment is disregarded as well.
Yeah. So we need to think about more domestic or intra-European, at least, deposits.
And that is what we're seeing here.
Abroad.
We're seeing here the future of Europe.
Nerds.
Nerds, yes. Very exciting.